In this video, I'll let you know how to embed YouTube videos on Instagram. So let's get started. Activate your Instagram account. In the absence of one, on an Android smartphone, simply install the app from the Google Play Store and then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I have opened my YouTube first to select any video. From the search bar, you can search for any video, but here I will just scroll down and choose any video to embed on your Instagram. For this purpose, simply press the video. Below the channel name, you will get the option to share. Simply press it. Another pop-up will appear, and below the apps, you will see the copy link option. Press it, and your link will be copied. Now go to your Instagram account. Refresh it. When it's done, simply swipe right to embed the video. From the bottom bar, choose the story option. Here you can click any random picture. I will click a blank picture here. Then I will choose the stickers option from the top right options. Choose an embedded sticker. I want to embed a link, so I will choose this one. I will add the copied link to the URL. Press Done from the top right corner. The link is added now. You have successfully embedded a video on Instagram. See how easily you can embed a YouTube video on Instagram. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.